Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Today, let's take a new alphabet. Which is the next alphabet? We learned A, B, C, D, E, F and G. 7 letters, right? So, which is the next alphabet? Shall we see the picture? Okay. Now, all of you see this picture. What is there in this picture? There's a girl wearing a hat, right? So what is that girl's name, you know? The girl's name is Hia. Hia. Hia is wearing a hat. What is the color of the hat? Red. So Hia is wearing a red hat. Hia is wearing a red hat. Okay. Hia is wearing a red hat. Hia hat. Hia hat. Okay. So, two letters. Two sounds. Okay. Hia hat. What is the sound? Common sound coming there? H. H is a common sound coming there. H. H. Right? The common sound there is H. What is Hia wearing? Hia is wearing a red hat. Hia is wearing a red hat. Right? Okay. Now, what is the common sound coming there? Hia, hat. H is a common sound. Alright. Okay. Now, what is the name of that sound H? The name of that sound H is H. The name is H. So, the next alphabet that we are going to learn is H. Okay. So, the sound of H is H. The sound of H is H. 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 Hia. H. Hat. H. Hop. H. Hut. Or H. The sound of H is H. Did you all understand? The sound of H is H. So now you all know what is alphabet H, right? This is the alphabet H. Now you have to take this card, splash card you have to take and take the back side of this card. Like same activity only. They drag the picture that begins with the letter H into the bag marked with H. H bag leke. There's one letter with H, right? H sound. Which is that? This is lamb. Hen. Which letter starts with H? H lamb. No. No. H lamb. It's not with H. It's with L, right? So H hen. H hen. So it starts with H. So you have to draw the line and mark it into this bag. Okay. Now take this. Then we'll trace this letter. Shall we trace? All I've taken this card. Okay. Now take these fingers and then first line here. Then one standing line. Then another standing line. One standing line, sleeping line and standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Okay. And here comes the baby. So, standing line and one downward curve. Down curve. One standing line and down curve. One standing line and down curve. Okay. So, this is the letter H. And the sound of the letter H is H. The sound of the letter H is H. Did you all understand? Okay, now we shall read some more words with the letter H. Alright? All if you take your textbook and take page number 27. See? This is the picture that we have seen. Hia is wearing a red hat. Who is wearing a red hat? Hia is wearing a red hat. What is Hia wearing? What is Hia wearing? Hia is wearing a red hat. What is the common sound in Hia and hat? Hia and hat, what is the common sound? H. Okay. Now we shall trace the letter. We already traced the letter. Now take your next page. This one. We'll read these words. Okay. Now, what are the words there? Hive, honey, happy, heel, hen, hand, horse. Hive, honey, happy, heel, hen, horse, hand. So everything starts with the letter H. H, hive, H, honey, H, happy, H, heel, H, hen, H, horse, H, hand. Okay? You have to read these words, okay? Then you will be able to understand the sound of the letter H. Okay? Now we shall start writing. After tracing several times, okay? You have to trace that letter with your hand several times. Then only you start writing in your notebook. Now I'll show you how to write in the notebook. Okay? Okay, now let's start writing the letter H. How do we write letter H? See, first what you have to do? First you have to put a standing line. Okay, then again a standing line and in between a sleeping line. Standing line, and then join this with a sleeping line. Standing line, another standing line and join with a sleeping line. Very easy to write. Standing line, a sleeping line. Standing line, a sleeping line. Standing line, a sleeping line. Okay, so it's very easy to write. Now let's write the small letter H. How we'll write? First a standing line, and from here just draw a down curve. A standing line, and from the last ending point just draw a down curve. A standing line, and from here a down curve. Standing line, and from here a down curve. Standing line, a down curve. Standing line and a down curve. See how we are writing? This is the way you have to write, from here to here. Again this line from here to here, and this line from here, this side to this side. And here first a standing line from up to down, then from here you can draw like this. So that is how you write the letter H. Okay, now see you in the next class. Bye bye.